And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin with the latest on Tropical Storm Raphael. The good news is the system is moving away from Jamaica, but we continue to experience heavy rainfall.
Now, earlier today, the Met Service discontinued the tropical storm warning, but a flash flood warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. on Wednesday.
Now, our coverage on the impact of Tropical Storm Raphael begins in St. Elizabeth, a parish which just months ago was battered by Hurricane Beryl.
Dwayne Anderson has been in the parish and filed this report.
A tarpaulin fluttering wildly atop a roofless police station undergoing repairs. It's the moment recovery met Raphael in St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. The parish is still rebuilding after the battering from Hurricane Beryl.
We were fretting that a lot of people don't get back on their house top as yet. A lot of people don't prepare their crops, so we think we're going to get a serious year this year, you know.
Another setback?
Yeah, another setback, a big setback.
Across parts of this community, you will see piles of gravel and mire like these. These are signs of plans to rebuild after Beryl. So obviously, another storm was not in their plans.
It has come at a very, very bad time because a number of our residents are just coming back. You know, a number of them still haven't completely put it back on their roofs. Some of them still have temporary covers, and the rain would cause undue dislocation to them.
But not even the heavy rain could deter a criminal attack on Tuesday morning in the parish. The lone gunman opened fire at two young men while they were at a house in Longwood Acres. One of them was shot and hospitalized. In Great Bay, fishermen kept keen watch on their boats, hauled ashore so that the treacherous sea powered by Raphael could not reach them.
Just coming down, checking to see how things are going on, you know, definitely. It's not a bad one, you know, we pull up the boat them and stuff. Those on the beach side that has, you know, their boats and stuff, they pull up as best as they could.
But while others had to drag their boats in, others went for a jog. Two vacationers in Treasure Beach. It's a strange morning to go jogging, isn't it?
Well, the thing is, when you come to such a beautiful place and you've only got a short amount of time, I mean, yeah, there's a major storm going, but I was kind of tracking it on the internet, and it seemed like it was passing. But yeah, it must have looked pretty strange to you.
Did you enjoy your jog?
I enjoy it because of Treasure Beach. I love this area.
Did the storm in any way impact on your vacation here today?
No. If I was by myself, it would, but I have a girlfriend, so that's fine.
The southeastern end of St. Elizabeth got most of the heavy rain on Tuesday afternoon, leading to minor flooding along some roadways. But it did not have a significant impact on hoteliers.
Our staff are resilient, and we have some guests who are in a good mood. We put on an all-day happy hour up at the bar to help take off the edge, so to speak.
The coastline here of southern St. Elizabeth supports several iconic businesses. And despite the Caribbean Sea now being at its ferocious worst, all of these companies have managed to emerge unscathed.
So I kind of did a sweep of the south coast, and so far, thank God, nothing is too bad. There have been some areas that are flooded, but the roadways are all open.
This storm, however, did require the activation of one emergency shelter in Junction, St. Elizabeth at the B.B. Coke High School.
Around 4 o'clock, one gentleman came and I spoke to him and I said to him, why is he here so early? He said he's not staying home. He prefers to stay here where he is much more safer.
Where did he come from?
Well, actually, same place in Junction. And he actually leave this morning. I put him in my classroom to stay. And 10 minutes to 4 this morning, I check on him, and he's there. And such as the daylight out and disappear.
Tropical storm Raphael has now drifted north of Jamaica, meaning the island has survived the worst of this weather system. But do expect the occasional outburst of shower and some heavy winds. Reporting from Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ News.